What's up guys, for today's quick how to set up Instagram shop. For this one, you're going to log in your Instagram. First, click on your profile icon on your lower right side. You're going to click the three lines in the upper right corner. Will then be rerouted to your own profile. That you're going to switch your account to a professional account. We will learn here about your followers, more people, get. Now you can choose whatever best describes you here. Now for me, I will choose the digital creator. You can choose any of these here, creator or business. I'm going to be setting up a Instagram shop. I'm going to choose the business type and again, I'm going to click next. Here your contact info, email address, your business address, and your phone number. You can fill that in. You can also connect to a Facebook page to reach more people or audience. Log into Facebook, or you can do that later. Or set up your professional account. You can do that now or later. Once you're done with that, click the X button. Back to your own profile and you can now see the professional dashboard. Go to the settings and privacy again by clicking the three lines on the upper right corner. Go to business tools and controls. If you have a professional account, this will be already available on your end. You can see there, set up a shop. If you tap on it, and then you can now open your shop on Instagram. You can add a shop to your profile, tag products in your post, or get insights about your shop. Tap get started and then you can start from there. That's it guys, I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you wouldn't miss any of our videos. See ya!